Now, in continuation with the same question, part C. Part C given to us is having a structure like this. H, single bond, CH, double bond, CH2. It is nothing but CH2 double bond CH2. We are talking with respect to the members of alkenes, and the first member of alkene is this, that is ethene. Why ethene? Because this compound is containing 2 carbon atoms. So eth is the root word and there is presence of 2 covalent bonds. So ene. So therefore put together it would be ethene. What would be the next homologous member of this? This would be CH3 CH double bond CH2. So propene. Next higher member CH3 CH2 single bond CH2 double bond CH2. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will get this member by adding a CH2 to propene. The name of this compound is butene. Then add a CH2 to this butene. We will get the next member CH3, CH2, CH2. Then retain this as it is CH double bond CH2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 member chain of the carbon atom linked by a double covalent bond at one end. So therefore the name of this compound is pentene. Add a CH2 to this, we will get the next member CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. Then retain this as it is CH double bond CH2. So the member name is hexene. And invariably all of this compound has to be named from our right. So when we do that, the locant to be given for these carbon atoms in all of the case would be 1. Because there is a double bond presence between the one and the second carbon atom, the first and the second carbon atom, whether we write the locant as 1 propene or simply propene, it means the same. Similarly, in this case also, 1 butene or simply butene can be written, 1 pentene or simply pentene can be written, and 1 hexene or simply hexene can be written. So these are the 5 members of the homologous series of alkene by starting with ethene. Ethene, propene, butene, pentene, hexene.